Hi, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and even though I'm getting ready for Thanksgiving still, I think ahead to Christmas and want to think about what groceries I'm going to pick up and ingredients and what I'm going to be serving, because for me, Christmas isn't just Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. I do parties every weekend if I can, if I'm not going crazy. I do lots of movie parties. We watch Christmas Vacation, and we watch the little stop motion Rankin Bass, puppet movies, Rudolph and the Year Without a Santa Claus, all that good stuff. So I throw a lot of Christmas parties, and so I went to my library and picked up Jamie Oliver's Christmas Cookbook. I thought, hey, this might be a good idea, give me some inspiration, and I wondered if you'd ever looked through it. So I wanted to show it to you. Oh, it's really heavy and really nice pictures. Oh, I love the ornaments. So, also by Jamie Oliver, The Naked Chef, blah, 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 blah. Okay, lots of books. I actually don't own any of them. He's dedicated to my Nan, Betty Marjorie Palmer. Oh, that's very sweet, aka Tiger. That's very sweet. Okay. Let's check out the contents. Introduction, obviously. Smart starters. I don't usually serve starters at an actual Christmas Eve dinner or Christmas Day dinner because I'm freaking out trying to get everything cooked. I don't know. Maybe you do. The main event is the next chapter, followed by veggie and vegan plates. I love that about Jamie Oliver. He always has vegetarian and vegan recipes. An entire chapter on the wonderful world of potatoes, and that makes me laugh because my heritage is German, Norwegian, Swedish, and Scottish, so there's potatoes all over all of our family holiday feasts in every form. Like, you almost are dipping your french fries into your mashed potatoes on Christmas. Now, there's an entire chapter on scrumptious vegetables. Then a chapter, very important, on gravy, sauces, and all the trimmings. I'm not sure what the trimmings are. We'll find out on page 148. Incredible leftovers. That is handy, and I don't think enough cookbooks really give you a leftovers chapter because they just assume the recipe is so good you'll eat all the food and not have leftovers. Spectacular festive desserts, afternoon tea and sweet treats. That's a good idea. A Christmas tea. I like that. Not on Christmas, but the week before. Okay. Cute edible gifts. Very thoughtful to have in a Christmas cookbook. Super fantastic salads, dips, bites, and handheld nibbles. Good for Christmas cocktail parties. Perfect drinks and a guide to roasting meat. I'm a vegetarian. I'm gonna skip that chapter. Okay, here's Jamie Oliver. Let's take a peek. Don't know what chapters you would like to see. Okay, check your equipment. Okay, that's smart. Go through and get it ready before Christmas. Smart starters. Here's that adorable Santa in a snow globe. Okay, shrimp cocktail. I love this food photography. It's very festive. I don't think I've seen such a festive cookbook. Beef carpaccio. Okay, top of the line food photography. Now, he's British, if I'm not incorrect, so I was wondering if this book has British or American measurements. I see ounces, pounds, tablespoons. Okay, good. This will be easy to follow for us that are challenged. Roasted apple and squash soup. Just that photo and the garnish on top. Beautiful. I never think to do that. I dump soup in a bowl and go, yay, please eat it. It's homemade. I don't think to garnish it beautifully with a pepper like that. Seafood smorgasbord. Okay, this is awesome. I'm going to skip ahead in the middle. Baked mash. Okay. I really want to get to the desserts. Oh, I love the little extra collectible ornaments that are at the beginning of each chapter. Now, it's hard to photograph gravy and not have it look like crap, so good job. Love it. Gravy. Vegan gravy. Okay, I might need to own this cookbook because I am tired of buying very expensive tofurkey gravy in the freezer section. It is delicious and it's salty. Okay, beautiful pictures. Pigs in blankets. Okay, I'm not going to be making those, but you might want to. Meat stuffing. Okay, let's get out of the meat chapter. Okay, cannelloni. I didn't know that was Christmassy, but it is if you're Italian. Lasagna. Okay. Spectacular festive desserts. I'm just going to give you a sneak peek. Okay, I'm not lighting a pudding on fire on Christmas. I don't have time for that, but that's hilarious. That's adorable. Very festive. Yeah, no. Retro trifle. Okay, that looks like something I could make the day before and refrigerate to make my life easier. Okay, fair enough. Okay. chocolate pots. Cute. Again, you could probably make it, reheat it the last second. A pavlova. That looks really complicated. Of course, pie. Apple pie. Oh, okay. Tiramisu. This book comes with bookmarks, ribbons, very handy. A winter Bombay, clever. Okay, let's skip ahead before I end this video because I don't want to show you the entire book because you need to go to your own library and get it. Baked buns, perfect popcorn, perfect drinks. Okay. Good thinking because Christmas makes me thirsty. Fish House Punch. I'm not sure what that... I've never heard of that. Okay. White Russian, hot buttered rum, winter old-fashioned, Rob Roy. Okay, these are all things we would probably think to look up on Google, but hot toddy, frozen grapes and grappa. This is very nice. I'm actually very impressed. It's my first time looking through a Jamie Oliver holiday cookbook. I'm very impressed. What do you think? Heavy, gotta take up a lot of room on the shelf, but I may just go get myself a permanent copy after I return this to the library where it is overdue. Sorry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow Cookbook Divas on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube,